Hey, what's going on guys, Crypto Wolf. So today I wanted to show you another reoccurring pattern video that I see quite often, and it seems to break down the same way every time. So this is another pattern that I believe we all should commit to memory, and what to do when you see the pattern. Okay, so here it pretty much is, I like to call it a triple anchor wave or a triple camel, whatever is easier for you. It's a anchor wave that is strong, usually over the 60 line, right? But it's followed by two more anchor waves, or two more waves that follow it, followed by a trigger wave, right? So this is a really good trade. So also it's a divergence, right? So at the same time, here was a blue wave strategy. Check out my last video if you're curious about that and how we all caught that one, or how people caught that one. And so here, let me explain this real quick. So here we have price action moving up, right, in a three wave hump, that kind of like a triple top going on here, right? And on momentum, right, we have momentum going in the opposite direction, so we have a clear bearish divergence, right? Okay, now some people after the first divergence they were short here, but for me, a lot of trades, they say you need to wait for a trade that speaks to you. That's, don't just chase trades, catch the trade that truly gets to you. And the two divergence here, it didn't really feel like that was a good trade. But when you see the three, there's usually never a four, and this is a very clear three, right? This would have been a good short after this confirmed. Even if you waited a couple of candles or two with a pretty loose stop loss, this would have been a really good trade. The also thing about Market Cipher is that there's kind of always, or usually, a second chance to get in, and this is what I love about this indicator, right? So if let's say you didn't take this short here and you want to be extra confident like me, I'd like to wait until the trigger wave forms. Like, this is perfect. Like, look how nice this was, right? And then eventually, yeah, look, price did drop. So this is what we call a high quality trade. Now again, price pumped back up a little bit, and it formed an even lower trigger wave. So this would have been another chance to get in. Now, they always say you kind of want to get in when you see this right here. Can I zoom in here a little bit? Let's see. All right. You want to kind of get in when this is printing, right? Now, it's not confirmed yet when it's printing at the time. But if you would have gotten as it was printing, this would have been a really high quality trade also. But even if you got it after it printed and it confirmed, you would have been here somewhere. But it's still not bad, right? It's still something. So again, this is a pattern that I really want you guys to commit to memory. It is the triple anchor wave followed by a trigger wave, or the triple camel, whatever is easier for you. This appears quite often, and when you see this, just get ready to possibly short. Again, anything can happen, right? Doesn't mean it's a guaranteed short. But in my experience, what I've seen is that this is usually a high quality trade. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next recognized pattern video, or the next thing that I see that is, wow, this is something to point out. All right, thanks again, guys. Take care.